Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Clean Tech Nep with a brand new video for today. And if you guys are new here, please make sure to subscribe and share the video. So here again we are with the topic name MSDS. So from this topic we are going to discuss about the information of MSDS and the component of the MSDS. Okay. First of all, we have to know that MSDS is the short form of Material Safety Data Sheet, and this sheet gives you all the manufacturer information about the chemical. Okay, and also MSDS is a document which contains all the physical and chemical property information, potential hazard information, protective measure, storage and transportation precautions, emergency procedure including how to handle spill or accidental exposure, disposal recommendation, and manufacturer contact information. So these are the component of the MSDS. As you can see, it's clearly mentioned with the name and with the number wise. So I'm just going to explain you point by point. First point is about the product name and the company identification. So from the whenever you open the MSDS sheet, you will find the product name and the identification of the company, that which company had made the product. Okay, and second is composition information. So from this point you will get all the information regarding the composition and regarding the chemical. And the third point is hazard type, that specified hazard. Okay, so there is a hazard type also, different type of hazard are there. So for that hazard type I will mention you that separate video on course topic, so you will find out there all the hazard types. Okay, so you will find all the hazard types on this point. And the fourth point is first aid measure. So you will find required first aid measure regarding the chemical. Okay, after that we move to firefighting measures. So you will find all the firefighting measures, and after that you will find accidental release measures. What if chemicals spillages? So what are the procedure, how we need to wash it, how we need to clear it, you'll find from this point. Okay, and the next point is regarding the handling and storage, how to handle, how to store the chemicals. Okay, you will find from here. And next point is exposure control and personal protection. So what are the PPEs are required for you to handle any kind of chemical, you will find from this point. So here are the other remaining topics, other remaining components of the MSDS. The ninth point is chemical and physical properties. Physical and chemical properties you will find from there. Okay, stability and reactivity you will find there, and toxicological information, ecological information, and disposal consideration, how you have to dispose any chemical. Okay, you will find from there, and how you can transport the transport informations, all the regulator information and other information you find from the one sheet which is called as MSDS. Okay, so whenever you get any kind of chemical, you should have MSDS regarding the chemical, so you can easily understand and easily use the chemical. So here we are at the end of this session. I hope you guys like this session for today, and if there is any suggestion from your side, please let me know. At the last, please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Okay,